Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your TCL 306. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store, and here we'll need to search for an app. Write Firefox browser and hit the search button. Now select this app and we can install it. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and customize it. You can change the theme from light to dark to automatic, toolbar placement from bottom to top, always on privacy settings from strict to default, or synchronize Firefox between devices. Simply sign up on both of devices to the same account and they'll be synced together. You should read this privacy notice, and after doing all that, start browsing. Now let's open any website and see if it works. As you can see, the page loads properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.